It's Ritzy Cupcake! I'm going to try some strawberry lassi and chocolate milkshake today. I've got some vara idli as per usual and some methi paratha which I've not had before, and some paneer thing and a cauliflower vegetable thing and sambar. We're going to Whitefield, which is a suburb in Bangalore, and it's raining, as you can see. So, first time it's actually raining while we're in India today, so the traffic's a little bit worse. But it's interesting to see everything in this light. Yeah, so we're going to go check out Whitefield and maybe do some laundry, try and find a coin laundry on the way. From Bengaluru, we're gonna hopefully find a coin laundry in Marathali, and then we're gonna go check out Whitefield. So after a few twists and turns, we managed to find the coin laundry. Wearing white pants today was not the wisest of decisions. And our laundry's now done, and it's so lovely. They're folding our clothes for us and everything. We just left our coin laundry in Marathali. We got our laundry done for 220 rupees, which is around $4 Australian. Pretty good. Took an hour. We visited this ashram for a little bit, and then we ended up buying some things from this stall, but I didn't end up recording that because we were in a bit of a rush. This is the hanging bridge. Oh my god, so many cool malls! I think we'll be checking out a mall tomorrow. Now we're just trying to find a souvenir shop to get some t-shirts. This is MG Road, Mahatma Gandhi Road. And this is Brigade Road. We finally picked up all of our blouses and saris, and now we have everything. At dinner buffet today. So we're at dinner, and there's a lot more people here today, so they've just decided to put on a buffet just to cater for everyone easily. So that's been nice. I've just had like 2 plates of food and I'm stuffed, but the desserts look amazing. So this is my dessert. So I got a bowl of kheer, which is a traditional Indian dessert, and some of the famous Mysore pak, which is what I've been wanting to try since I got here. So I'm really happy that they've got it here, because I tried to get it somewhere else, and I tried to get it in Mysore, but they didn't have it. I couldn't find anywhere that sold it. So yay! And this orange one here is traditional carrot halwa, and then the rest is Western sweets. Mysore pak. Oh my god, it just melts in your mouth. It is amazing. This is a 2 rupees coin. It's got a peace sign on it. It's worth around 4 cents. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.